This is my car's RC car. I bought it off of Walgreens, I think. It was a 2-pack for $20. Unfortunately, when I turned this on and tried to make left and the right, nothing would happen, but it could move forward. This one worked fine. The enemy guy. So anyways, flip this over, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws that I had to take off, and it came off. But then at the top, this white cable was attached to the top over there. I'll probably just tape it on. I guess it's the antenna. Took it apart, and the design is pretty straightforward. Sorry, just in 2 hands here. All the controls has L is for left, R is for right, F is for front, B is for back, and C is, I guess, battery. So after looking at this, originally the capacitor, or whatever you call this thing, for the left and right was hitting the motor itself, so I think it was short-circuiting itself. So what did I do? I just used a screwdriver and moved it off, making sure nothing was contacting each other. So now if I turn it on, left and right work, back and front was always working. So originally I tried looking at this other connector over here to make sure it was on okay, and that was on okay, as well as this one was on okay. But it was just hitting the motor, so I just assumed there might be some kind of short. So now it's working.